I came back to Mortlake and got married and raised a family 35 years ago. When I returned to Mortlake, I was a young kid on the block, and there was a reluctance to nurture the young ones. I first heard the idea of a wind farm at Mortlake back in 2005-2006. One of the proposed sites was bang smack on one of my family's farms.
Before construction, it was pretty tough with this project coming to site. Local people that previously in the past have had to leave the area to get work have now been able to secure employment. On this occasion, we had 92 to 93% of local people, which is actually quite high.
I grew up in a little place called South Palm Beach, just out of Cobden, about 35 k's from here. I've been working in Melbourne there for on and off for the last 15, 20 years. My family's been travelling on and off with me away from home, and it's been good to be able to come home and get a job locally.
I've always wanted to be in construction, but I found it really hard to get into this industry, being a small female and having no experience. So I came out here, explained my situation, that I've got no experience, and I just really wanted a chance to get my foot in the door and prove myself. It's all been hands-on training. I get shown how to do something once and you pick it up straight away, but everyone's been really supportive, and yeah, I've learnt a lot of different things.
What this has been able to do is obviously stimulate the local economy. A lot of those shops are retail, they're service.
I knew there was going to be a demand for food and catering. So we have frantically been preparing young people and getting them work ready.
We know there's going to be jobs, but more so a sustainable future for our families coming through.
Wind farms have given us an opportunity for our next generation. Now is the time that we can shape our future.
Hopefully it brings a lot more technology down this way, and hopefully support some of the schools down here is what I'm hoping. And the more I learn, the more I can teach my kids. There's more out there than just farm work from being a local kid.
This is definitely my career now. I mean, I can go anywhere with this.